ball. Stan, pass to Intumus. Intumus, pass to Stan. Stan, pass to Bob. Oops! Intercept by Mora. Oops! There's a whistle. Line violation. Line ball. Oh, good ball. Mora. Yung pursuit, pass to Rondan. Pass to Mora. Mora, atin. Oops, wala. Oh, wala. Anthony. Intercept by Rondan. Hindi ka nakatawan. Rondan now have the ball. Pass to Latchega. Oops. Foul number 18. Okay, time out! Rason! 28 foul, number 20.
Defense!
Shoot! Okay, selected ng one. Team ng Nadyo. Versus committee. Selected team ng Nadyo. At saka committee.
16-7.
Okay, oras. 6 minutes, 54 seconds. Remaining for the first half. Selected team ng Nadyo, basketball versus committee. Selected din, selected.
Baso na sila.
Okay, back to the ball game. Okay, 6 minutes, 54 seconds. Remaining for the first half. Okay, inbounding Mora. Mora to Nick. Nick to the ball. Pass to Mora. Mora. Looking for second pass to Nick. Nick, Garden. Wala. Rebound by Injuice. Nakatay ng bola. Okay, green ball.
Defense!
Embodying Injuice to stand. Stand now, ready the ball. Looking for receiver. Stand. Pass to Bob. Oops, intercept by Latchega. Latchega pass to Nick. Nick to the ball. Nick now, looking for receiver. Pass to Mora. Mora, atin. Wala. Oops. Sa last ball. Sub position left, sub. Number 66 out. Number 25 in. Alwan. Allow. Okay, stand. Give me the ball. Stand now. Number 12. Looking for receiver. Pass to Bob. Bob. Pass off. There's a whistle. First ball. Nick. Number. Number 20. Number 20. Nick. Inbounding top. Pass to Stan. Stan looking for receiver. Pass to Sebastian. Oops. Enters. Up na kuha ni Bob. Bob again. Pass. Oops. Sa last ball. Inbody allowed. Allowed to Nick. Nick now, keeping the ball. Nick, pass to Mora. Mora, attend. Wala. Nakuha ni Nick. Nick! Oops! Wala ka rin. Rebound na si Bastan. Si Bastan to back. Back. Using his back door. Yes! For 2 points. Back.
Defense!
Okay, rebounding allowed to Nick.
Defense!
Nick now. Pass to Mora. Mora to Nick.
Sampalan ko sa daw nila sa ano.
Moving to zero. Nick, tumira. Oops, there's a whistle.
Di ba naman ito?
Number 88.
Wala kang boss pang ito. May pass nila nila.
Number 88. Anthony.
Number 88, 2 personal foul.
Substitution that number Anthony out. Passing
Bakit
move.
personal na yung foul?
Okay. 2 free throws by Nick. Okay, dalawang free throw kay Nick. First throw. Wala. Oh.
Nasa lawin ako.
Line ball. Okay, referee's decision. Okay, inbounding back to stand. Isang mata yung isang mata siya. Okay, back, stand. Pass to back tumira, wala. Rebound by Basibo. Ay, kamusbog, back to stand. Stand again. Stand. As to, si Bastian, there is a whistle. First ball net, ay taas po yung kamay. Number
Defense!
8.
Oh, pinis ng game sila. Tira!
Number 8. Check out. Two personal foul, number 8. Wala.
Go! Go!
Two personal foul.
Oh, ganun.
Substitution. Substitution.
Go! Go!
Ay, mamaya pa
Go! Load.
Ay, mamaya pa, pre. Ay, mamaya pa. Hindi pa pumasok ko yan, pwede. Kasi. Tuloy.
Sorry.
Pakita.
Go! Go!
There's a whistle. First ball.
Pare!
Satu ke sana. Yang tadi, leak out. Ingemus, foul. Number 22. Tak. Okay. Time out. Pampanga. Oras 1 minute 56 seconds remaining for the first half.